In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of checking your ticket on Skyscanner. Whether you've just booked a flight or you're looking to keep an eye on your travel plans, this guide will make it super easy. Let's jump right in. First things first, open your web browser and go to Skyscanner's homepage at www.skyscanner.com. You can also use the Skyscanner mobile app if you prefer using your phone. Now that we're on the homepage, let's look for the flights option since we're checking a flight ticket today. Click on the Flights tab at the top. Here, you'll see a search bar where you can enter your travel details. Enter your departure city, your destination, and the dates of travel. Once you have all your details filled out, hit the Search Flights button. Skyscanner will then take a few moments to gather the best options for you. You'll see a list of flights that match your criteria, sorted by price, duration, and other factors. This is a great way to compare your options at a glance. Now, if you want to check a specific ticket you've booked, it's best to use your email confirmation. Make sure you have that ready. Open your email inbox and find the booking confirmation from your airline. This email will contain important details like your booking reference number and flight schedule. Go back to Skyscanner and navigate to the My Trips section if you are logged in. If you've booked your flight through Skyscanner, you might see your booking listed there. If you don't have an account, you'll need to check directly with the airline. In the My Trips section, click on the flight you want to check. This should take you to a page where you can view your flight details, including the dates, times, and any changes that may have occurred. And that's it. You've successfully checked your ticket on Skyscanner. If you find any changes or updates, be sure to check back regularly as flights do sometimes shift or get updated.